ntombazane TikTok.
Ngiyabonga chef inesi intanga yakhe bakithi egifta inesi. Ngiyabonga Nqobile, ngiyabonga Princess inesi ke leli. Abantu laba mina ngigifswa njengabe ngigifswa.
Official, thank you so much. Hey, you came on the right time. Debu, thank you so much. Ray, thank you so much. Mzila, Mr. Happiness D, thank you so much. Letokukwatisha guys, uzokhala shem. Yena sasemncane. Yazi yena watikukisha nje.
Sisona 500 paid. Angazi noma ufundanga wena sisi mangisakutshela ngithi gumula lo ifrontal uyifake lapho. Uphinde emva kwalapho sisi ususe ifilter. Remove the filter. Sifuna ukubona ukuthi unjani wena sisi. Gogo ndingasithebeni esijwayela kahle. Nama sisi wena kade ukhuluma nawe. Bese kukhuluma mina sekubhlungu. Awukahle musu ungijwayela kabe namakhala engulube sisi. Nanga uvoqo bo. Uvoqo sinamakhala engulube. Ufihle lona ikhala lakho leli lisidikisele ngathi ukhulelwe sisi. Ngathi uhlezi ukhulele wena. Nakhona ukhipha izisu. Guys sithepheni screen. Ayisathi ukhuluma nami sengiyakhuluma ke sengiyathula ke manje ngoba I'm not leading. Guys sithepheni screen. Sithepheni screen sonke. Delela kabi le mbongolo le. Ngulube inginone labo mameshana. Mubi kabi lo muntu lona ofake ama-filter ngintshelo. Bengathiwa kuphuma i-filter lapha. Hayi khohlani bafana bami. Azi nje everyday ngihlezi ngibonga uTikTok ngokufaka ama-filter mina empilweni. Ngoba abanye abantu Nkosi yami bayafihla ububi babo abangekho proud ngabo Nkosi yami. Bayafihla ububi babo. Abantu bese uhlangana nabo umangale. Yazi khona abafana Nkosi yami ngayikho into ozoyithola Ntombi ngikutshele ngayo. Nama-video akhe unama-filter. Yazi abanye abafana bavelela afika umfana chameke ethi intombazane inje. Bese hlangana naye intombazane isikobo. Thank you so much. No, we need one more rose, guys. Sikobo samuthi. We need one more rose. No. Ngiyenibhale yodwa guys. We need one more rose.
Guys, we need one rose. Let's unlock it.
Thank you, Noro. Thank you so much. Thank you, Liraki. Thank you so much, everyone. Guys, let's try to play on the ×3. Let's go, guys, and try to play, guys. How uthi mina ngimubi? Mina ngimuhle kabi Nkosi yami. Ngimuhle kabi mina sisi. Angifaki ifilter mina, ngidinga ifilter ukuthi ngibe muhle. Let's play on the time. Thank you, no. Guys, let's go. Guys, mina sifike 500. Let's go, guys. Let's push, guys. No.
Guys, sebafika u500 manje bazosithuka.
Asentombazane nobubi lenja leni uzotshela mina ukuthi ngimubwe namagogo letegugile wagugiswa abafana wena ikusufaka ama-filter ngishilo ngathi ziveze sis without a filter njengamanje ugumule lo fondral asibasiza belungu Nkosi yami ngoba khona ama-fondral inwele ngoba sisi wena ngisho in public angeke uze uhambe Nkosi yami ungayifakile ifondral njalo beyibuke esibukweni sisi ubona imfene ngoba umubi kahle nto semndenini unamajinzi omndeni wakho wawumubi vibe abantu bakhona usaba ngamuhle mfana sikhukhune uthwala lesikhukhune sikwede sentombazane nobubi la xa ngizotshela mthi ngimubi mina ngimuhle kabi mina sisi wena ufana nenyama ledlo abafana amantshosho sisi ufana amantshontsho nefana ledlo abafana kade besebenza wena ukho proud ngelook yakho sisi gubula lo frontal yakho sisi ususe nefilter uyaka usebenzisa le iPhone tontoni engabe ubhizi wenza something i-driver's license ubhizi uyahamba uyofunda noma ecollege amadoda omekunikeza lo mali le ucabanga ukuthi islay queen thina sazi ilay queen thina sisi sazi ilay queen zangempela thina sisi yebona nje sisi ba umuntu proud sisi mele ube proud sisi ungafaki lezi zinto ufaka i-makeup sisi ufaka into ufaka ucream uzosha sisi voqo uzosha sisi ngocream sisi le marenge lawa uzosha sisi uzophuma amathubaba sisi uzobola sisi ujuze sisi cabanga ukuthi ungatshela mina ukuthi ngimubi wena uzosha ntombazane uzohamba yetake nakhona nososawumile na kahle ugcwela amanzi lana singoba uzotshela mina ukuthi mina lento nginomkhaba mina sisi ngondlekile sisi mina ekhaya Kufuyiwe ekhaya kuney'nkomo bengekhaya mina sisi. Ngidla impuphu, ngidla yonke izinto ey'healthy sisi. Ukhiphe nalama-eyelashes lawo sisi. Ngathi ucwile emafutheni ntombazane, ucwile emafutheni silima sentombazane, sihlahla. Ucaba sungatshela ukuthi ngime kabi na sisi. Nasi ngisitufuza sisi. Mina sisi ngizoshada umzimba wokuthi ngishade yona sisi nonyawo lami oluncane. Umzimba wokuthi ngishade okuhlala iphinifa lo mzimba wami. Lo mzimba lo wami ulindelwe yiphinifa sisi lo mzimba wami lo. Ulindelwe yiphinifa lo mzimba wami lona sisi. Bezizotshela mina ukuthi ngimubi. Oh Choma we, wangiqala wangilika sisi Choma we. Ngimuhle kabi mina sisi, gumula ifrontal leyo sisi. Ngiyacela Nkosi yami sithathe emshini, sabe somgumula ifrontal simkhiphe nefilter. The uTikTok wakhipha lama filter lawa uzofa. Ngeke uphinde ustream uvelela ku TikTok. Thank you so much. No, guys, follow the MVP. Thank you so much, Sisi. Ulo ndo ipini from Zimbabwe. Thank you, Lira. Thank you so Mila. Thank you so much, Mbali, Felicia. Thank you so much, that baby. Guys, let's all tap, guys. Let's all tap, guys. Let's all tap. We Sisi network yakho ngicela isheshe Nkosi yami. Angazi kwenzakalani, ubani ofreezile guys. Guys, ubani ofreezile mina noma surprise. Guys, ke mango ofreezile. Guys, asiphe screen okay. Guys, asiphe screen. Uyasaba phela manje.
Sivelele. You know the man has made a man of woman. Shameful behaviors. No, but hi guys, let's all tap. We all tap. We power tap. We capitalize on the speed. Ningamnaki guys, let's do this. I try to move it up. Because we are not leading. I'm only allowed to talk if we are leading. So let's all tap. So guys, please, let's all tap. Let's all tap to share. Hata wena Beyonce, yes? But hata wena Beyonce.
Ngisuke ngiphaphela sisa ngisumngani wakho. Ngisiyezwe umngani wakho. Angisiyezwe umngani wakho sisa.
Thula wena. I repeat, but hata wena Beyonce, phela sijonge Beyonce uyenzayo wena. Ungani kanje? Avele wathi hayi mina ngiyothatha irock, leli brown nakhona. Ntanga zakho zivisi sicoka ama yellow dresses, little dresses. Avele wathi umzimba wami ulinde uphinifa. Uvele wa graduate wahamba waye university wayenza i-degree wabuya wathi wena uzolinda indoda ezokushada. Uyabona ukuthi isenza ikho la? Umzimba wami ulinde iphinifa. Nokuzotha sewuyangidisappointa. Guys, education is not everything. You need to be intelligent ngapha. Even if you can go to university for 4 years or 5 years, even on the because go university is just copy and paste. Nangu umuntu uphethe degree, ufuna ukuyihlalela so ngeyibunu i-degree. Athi yena ulinde indoda. Hayibo. Ntombazane. Mukwede nokuzotha. Like warapapela on a serious note. Mamuruto. I can smell it from a distance. Wabona chungamu ew, utloitwa. It's a chungamu ew. No jobs in this world. Yes, I know my love. I know. It's such a busy wena. Limilo meo kare ingengi kuku ya home. Oh woman. Guys, thank you so much. Asambeni. Mina me chappy we. Indanga zakho solo every day. Every morning. That's in and out of gym. Awufuna ukujima wena in the name of mina ngichappy. Nonsense. Hayibo. Sihlahla sentombazane stititi. Enza so abantu bami bafuna ukubona ukuthi unalidi itsebe na unalitshona or awunacho ri ku donate le ri pin account no and let me tell you if phone le ngisebenza ngithenga cash so angithi ize nama filter lawo I'll use it I can't pay 25,000 rand to come here. Ukuthi ngizovela straight. Angeke otherwise bengizothenga imbobiseli. Wabona uRamphaphela. No, uSikamphaphela sesi. Awalingana mandla. Awalingana just because when 17 imbobiseli, you can't afford. Oh, don't come here and control us. Akiri wena no busy. Uija ukipitile mshimani ko resi kwa. Uija chalta how wapiela mshimani. Chalta how ya NSFAS every day. Usoro ureka mautwana, ureka nyama yentloko uthengela umfana. You didn't save. Angish, you didn't save uphekela indoda wena. Uthi kenze young makoti. Eres while thina besaver. Phela mina ngithenga iPhone manje ufuna ungicontrol, ungangiphapheli mina. Nale hairstyle umubi. Ufana nomkhulu kumete ngizokutshela leyo every day until ususe hairstyle leyo. Ufana nomkhulu kumete wena. So busy ukhwezi azokubulala nawe. Ndo abel acede ngawe ukhwezi. Because what is this? Naikenze makoti ko resi. Bobisi, manje ukuphi umfana khona? Ukushile. Stress yakunyisa. Limiriri yaho yahlubeka no because of stress samshimani. Wabona? Awalingana awalingana mandla. And bese uzothula. Uzolinda ukuthi uthole 500 uzongitshela idoti. Ungakhulumi manje. Njengoba umatch uzocala. Ungaphindi. Ungangiphenduli mina. How? Guys, thank you so much. Wena. Citro, thank you so much. D, thank you so much. Ray, thank you. Zila. Nonongi, thank you so much. Given. Letabo, thank you. C. MJ. Uthi mina ngisebenzisa ama cream uyahlanya wena. Opela koshe. Oyirata khani koshe. Nakayirata. Guys, can we
No, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. No. Thank you so much, everyone. Guys, let's all tap the screen, please. Thank you, sis. Guys, let's all tap the screen.
So uyakhala wena.
Let's tap the screen, guys. Let's all double tap, guys. Someone will humble her, guys. Someone will humble her. I'm telling you, come to some humble sis. Guys, I just tap the screen.
It's active in screen. Anything on the double, anything. Yamukwile walla. Akasilisa le program. Isale program.
Sisi angithuthi asikhulume uma sesithola 500 point. Angazi angishongo mina ukuthi ungafunda. Hamba ufunda ukuthi mangaka ama size abafana la ngaphandle. Ngiyacela yebo sisi please. Guys, asiphe in screen.
Can we also guys please tap and share? We tap and share. Tap and share. Guys, active screen.
Guys, asiphe in screen please and try to play on the times 3. Usifike 500. Ngiyacela bandla. Lira K, thank you, my love. Guys, asiphe in screen song. Asiphe in screen, guys. Let's all tap, guys. Yabo besingatapha sonke, guys. Singafika 500, guys. We need 4 roses right now, guys. Umuna, thank you, kid. My Sandra Sam, Siswam, Yabo.
Hey, Citro, thank you so much. Guys, we need 3 more people to send roses. 2 more. Thank you, Ray. Thank you so much. Zama, thank you so much. Guys, we wait. Michelle, thank you so much, Nana. Thank you. Given, thank you.
Awufundela ngusniper singayitholi rose. Guys, we need roses njengamanje. Sifine awekho, guys. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you.
So guys, please on the speed, let's play donuts and above. Rutomeka donuts oya kwa Kiamrote. Thank you so much.
Rose.
Thank you so much.
Yo guys, omunye sidinga rose yodwa guys. Yo.
So Kaleli Rose.
Ay ngiyabona guys, senisisi is fine. Lisa you did well. Tell it was late. Salan senwabeka bafethu ama rose senwabeka.
So guys, let's go guys. Times 3 anything guys, times 3. Guys, can we have donuts and above? Donuts and above. Thank you so much. Guys. Ja. Thank you so much. Gimana? Hello. Ritengi, Lina. Ke tlo kgutla ngizomletha ngalelinye ilanga. Masi off ngizomletha ekhaya. Okay, ulisa abantwana. Okay, thank you, mom. Okay, thula wena ntombazana. Guys, thank you so much. Guys, nike sabulala batho abaholo. Thank you so. Hey wena, wenzani? Wenzani? Freeze. Nokuzotha. Nokuzotha is jealous. Yeah, full of jealous. Yazi yenza yini ikhosa yini? Ikhosa gore awu saluna ni milkshake. Saluna ni milkshake nokuzotha. Saluisha ning musli. When last? The time use varsity and nakhona bodlela abanye abantwana ama musli. Njengoba uneanger so wena, it's because mawuvuka ekseni nyama yenhloko like so every day. That's why nokudlowa ngeke udlowe wena kuzotha. Mawuthola 20 rand wena angazi inyama yenhloko. That's all you guys know amaZulu. Mawuthola 20 rand hamba uye McDonald's uyothenga ice cream sisi, ice cream very important. Uzobona uzodlowa. Ane ditsebe le go ba ditsebe. Ha. Nokuzotha mawuthola imali na enjoyment. Yeah, mshayeni guys, mshayeni. Wawutsiba mengu. Wawutsiba mengu after usinoja mengu and then uwetsa so. Inhloko yakho ifana nemengu. Mengu health no motho athi the leftover cha mengu. Uses. Angazi ukuthi uhappy ngale hairstyle leyo na. Guys, thank you so much.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Don't worry. Thank you, Team Skills. Thank you, Kidwin. Guys, don't worry. Ukesho abantu abadlala stockfel lena guys, 7 skin. So melo abuyisa ama coins bazomsharela live. That's why ngakhona ukudelela kakhulu. Azophela manje. Ama coins akhona. Guys, 7 screen. Ukiswa i-stream. Umuntu oyibheka njengami guys, a screen uzowafuna bheka ama-coins akhona guys, guys, as long nje nangigifisela abantu abangama-celebrate abawu-Ketiboni kade abangama-celebrate gift abanga-celebrate mina gift abo-Ketiboni ama-celebrate abantu abadansa nabo-Jadesh ake kurelate wena uzagiftwa abantu okulandela kuzothiwa afake uphawu lenisha guys, asisepeni screen. Let's all tap guys. Sepeni guys. Mina give someone
Thula.
Askisi bana give some celebrate. Keep it rose like the celebrate. I'm so surprised.
Nokuzotha. Warata ujinya kama noma yellow ngathi midi hayi bama celebrate intanga zakho lezi yogijiboni ushantesh amazinyo yellow njenge midi hayibo and uthe mina ngisebenzisa ama cream between mina ngisebenzisa filter yes ngiyavuma but when usebenzisa filter I cream uyabona ukuthi ikwenzani la seyivula ichisa nyama la I cream ungathi beka isandla phansi hayi thank you so much Sitro bukamuso, thank you mara surprise no wahlala waphapha ngwana ujemile wile ko WhatsApp ha kwa motluba ka echo bukamuso, thank you so much afu wena nokuzotha mina ngithanda iBeyonce uyenzayo yezwa ubatshela ukuthi wena sewubhizi uyastreama ngisho wena you chose ukustreama ubatshela ukuthi wena uyastreama unless if you are doing a shower, unless if wena urekisha umdidi ke if uthengisha umdidi and then bafuna ukuthenga, yeah, that's fine. Hayibo. So lokho wena wenza iBeyonce la mina ngiyawina la ubhizi uyahamba uyangale. Usikatlo phaphela sisi. Bathi now ifake ifilter abantu ba re faka filter lo wena re bone hore o tla ba o mu jena. Hey mina uNkulunkulu ngidale so bathi imzimba wakho se temple of God. Fanele unakekele. Anangazi uthi wena ufundile but you can't differentiate ukuthi mangithi ukunakekela to look after. You must look after umzimba wakho. Uncane kabi before hey. Beka isandla beka amarashini lawo phansi. Kiriboni ubariki mang nokuzotha. Hayibo yabona manje awu behave. Thank you. Uhlekani. And then ibele lakho wayiliso ibele lakho phela lishaya la. Uhliphanze nalo lishaya la. Wangayiqoki bra. Yabona because wena ulinde umshado. So everything nje awusayinakekeli. That's what wena vele ulinde umshado. Like ugive upile nje. Ibele sisi. And wena wetsa dilo tsa batho ba bagolo, that's why le tswelela hao le ko fase and usale ngwana. Bega. La milenzi so, la militi town, la ko liti local. Why? Because ufa bashimane ba le tshwara la hao. That's why la hao le wile. Aba? Dilo tso di etsang. Bona o bifile bang ke sekobo ngwana o. Sitlatla sa ngwanyana sitlatla ufa bashimane hore ba mo phuluphuthe matswele hao no hour. Bega. Ngidlula one thing for sure, ngidlula more than 8 years mina. Age different between mina now. But if we were to sit down, bathi ubani omdala la. Bazothi wena umakoko wena. Bazothi umakoko. Kisho. Kufita ka 8 years kisho or more. But ungathi wena umunye umakoko.
Thank you so much. Guys, we tried my fault. Get the ball.
Ukhala in. Angisho uthe when you are big girl. Uthe when we big girl. Na MVP ukwil athe akwasilo awu anetsebe ngwano. Anetsebe. Lihlokwa le reke tayo. Hayi akusumdala lo ngani kabi. Lo? Don't cry. Guys, let's all tap. Thank you so much, my people. Gee, thank you so much. Really, thank you, Debu. Thank you so much. Zama, thank you so much. It's accepting. Kilizu. Guys, yabona. Wena kilibona.
Guys, ngisacela asisepheni guys sikhulume Nkosi yami. Bathi fix ifilter yakho sisi abantu la. Guys, asisepheni screen. Asisepheni screen sifike 500 guys ngikhulume guys. Ngiyacela Nkosi yami siphi screen guys, please guys. Bafethu ngiyacela Nkosi.
Guys, please let's activate on time guys, please. On time. Jonna yo mama sipi.
Thank you mafo uzothula silima sentombazane nobubi. Uzothula silima sentombazane bakithi. Lento efana nobuso bazimba into yokuchama kazimba. Yazi into yokuchama kazimba. Yebo sisi fana nawo sisi into yokuchama kazimba. Wena sisi ngathi uhlezi kuma-period indlela omubi ngawo ubiphile njengamanje ufake ifitsi silima sentombazane. Buso bakho sisi ngathi renge. Ngathi buzothi kanje ngathi bushawe ngathi buhlezi bushaya ngaledo sisi. Buhlezi bushaya ngento yokuchama sisi kazimba nakhona noma yanombani. Legumba fire la. Uzongijwayela kabe lesilima sentombazane lete cream awumani lani. Uyibhoshi wena uyithoilet lelo mgodi futhi ufane ebhoshi lelo mgodi. Toilet indica ungajwayela kabi mina silima sentombazane. Gifisha abantu abaphesheya bida abadubile abomavola abokhuzula la abokidiboni lana. Ukidiboni usuka kini nawe leLimpopo kodwa le ntombazane bakithi isebenza kahle empilweni. Ibenye abaculi everyday thinta ama celebrity ibusisekile. Wena uyisilima nje uthintwa ama blesser nemkhabe emkhulu elilengayo sisi. Yikuhlezi ufaka ama frontal ama blesser hleze engcinya wena ubuso bakho sisamshow uyagula sisi. Ama blesser sisaqedile sisi. Wazi wonke izinto zokuchama zama blesser sisi nezinto ezijwabukile sisi. Ziyakuthinta sisi njalo ebusuku efika iFriday wena ubikho live nange weekend wena because ulala lama blesser baba nemkhala emkhulu Nkosi yami. Awaba nombaba omkhulu Nkosi yami sisi uyonakela lento yakho dinga ukuthunga dinga ukuthi sihlanganise ukotini siyikhanda sidonate Nkosi yami. Sikuthunga into yakhe yokuchama yangaphansi bakithi ngoba unama brick intombazane uyisiwovozi nje seperi nje singenangqondo nje sisi uyiperu njengenangqondo nje sisunuka noThubi baya noshukela baziwa wena bakithi abantu abanoshukela abadala abalala nawe sisi uphelela evele yabona uThamara uvoqo sisi bakuqedile lapha amakhrutumana amaguthumela nakhona ngisho abaguthumela ama-sugar daddies 1K lamasimba uzongitshela ukuthi wena undlula ngo-8 years kodwa umubi wena sisi bakuqedile into yakhe yavithiya mele sikuhlanganisele bakithi country size ngebhanoyi lapha eLimpopo besiza ngebhanoyi sizokuthunga igqenene yakho sisi sizokuthunga igqenene yakho surprise ngoba una guarantee sisi ulihosha sisi uyazama uqoqeka ukuthi ube yistreamer kodwa still ufaka neinkophe ezinde sisi lokhu uhleka into engekho lana istress siyakushaya sisi stress ukuthi kusasa iFriday kumele uhambe ngoba lama frontal lawo wafaka ngoba uthanda sisi wafakiswa ipeer pressure ngoba uhalela izinto sisi kuLukhona namandla baba njengamanje ngiyathandaza bakithi ngiletha usurprise manje ubuwe Nkosi yami ngiyacela Nkosi yami usonile le ntombazana bakithi thengisa komzimba please kuLukhona namandla ngiyacela bakithi uyisize bakithi iyala ukuthanda ama-iPhone nama-frontal nazo zonke izinto ibe ne-drivers license okungcono ngizoyikhulumela nobaba uJacob Zuma lapha enkandla engisuka naye ayisize bakithi le ngane bakithi ukuthi ibe ne-drivers license kuze idrive ngoba impilo ishayile Nkosi yami nenquza yayiyawo kwi-country yonke lapho ehamba khona yavithika inquza yawo Nkosi yami namaleba akasenawo lo muntu lona ngiyacela Nkosi yami siyi-country Mapedi maZulu Matsonga everyone Masusu Hlanganani sidonethela usurprise ngiyanicela Nkosi yami bakisivale inquza yakhe ingangeneki lo muntu lo ngoba ngiqedile abo baba abadala amen ake nithapheni amen 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 ake nibhale nithi amen 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 nithaphe nakwakhe lapho nithi amen amen hallelujah amen oh ngiyabonga naze ngijabulisa
Uyahlala.
Thank you so much, Mavo, bakithi. Everyone, phezulu ngiyabonga guys lonke umuntu othephayo. Asebenze sonke. Guys asebenze sonke.
Ayi unayi enga issues ayeke.
Bakhumana njani? Guys asebenze screen sonke speak 500 asebenze screen sonke. Asebenze screen sonke. Guys, follow ama MVP Nkosi yami ke follow ama MVP ethu lapha phezulu. Ukhidi bona Mavo ngoba ngaba sikhuluma kuyimanje guys. Nakho dluba usifollow guys asambeni asisephele screen Nkosi yami. Asisephele screen.
Hayi bathu baka thank you so much. Thank you so much but no uyahlanya lo. Una anger umntwana. Hayi guys fanele simdonateeleni simthengele.
Afikile 500 guys, please follow the MVPs, follow bonke ama MVP lapha asukela phambili guys. Let's go please. Asipheni screen guys. Asiphe screen. Thank you Melody. Bafethu ngiyabonga Melody. Ngiyacela Nkosi yami bolizwe 0 bakithi.
Okay guys, let's try guys. Now it's our turn guys. Let na kena go rena gore mo roge no. Guys, please. Let's open WhatsApp, we get the speed, we unlock and then pays work. Yo, yo, yes sis. I get about when last. Oh, so guys, we need 3 roses guys from 3 different people. Yo,
we need 1 more rose Nkosi yami. How wouldn't see son way bad?
Oh guys, for those who are saying Kimbo mute and I can't mute her guys. It's not fair. It's not fair that she's leading. Now I have to mute her. That's how we play anyway. So yeah.
Need to play the times 3. As like be times 3 guys. Be times 3. Thank you Sharp. Guys, let's go on the times 3 guys. We draw whatever we have. Guys, let's go guys. Simkhumbule ngempela bakithi yazi shame. Let's go guys on the times 3. Asambeni webani. Asambeni take times 3 Nkosi yami. Asambeni take times 3 guys.
Guys, anyone with a rose, need a rose one. Hi Bo. Guys, rose yo nayo la mujabulisa. Bego jabul no jabul. Yo, thank you so much Kilebule. Thank you.
Who wanna tada of Matu say thank you guys. We speed asifake nika ma donuts lawo okay guys. Asambeni we speed guys. Let's go on the times 3 so okay guys. Helviria maboyisa. Bawathi mhlambi uphunyeleza imali zarafu nsisi. Kodwa sarele sisi baholele nibakithele nkopo balcony sisi. Awuthi mute wena ngoba una phone wehlisa lezo zandla zakho lezi othinta ngazo uhwaya ngazo amapipa abadoda amadala aphethwe isiyesi. Uzothu yehlisa lo manqina akhe zandla. Ehlisa mawotwana udidi imali. Bese sibaholele kwile nkopo balcony sisi. Uyabona gifts abantu abasebenza kwile nkopo balcony la. Baningi abantu abangiftalana. Azange uzodla xosinyeza igames sisi nobubi sisi neqhome ecijile sisi ngathi amakhona esiqeda angakithi athengisa kwamakhelwane. Guys, let's play on the times 3 Nkosi yami ngiyasaba. Thank you Melody sithandwa sami usebenza phesheya wena. Sisibuka before ngikhuluma. Yabona ke sisi ngizokuhlola ke manje. Sengiphendukisa ngoma. Simisa la. Ayizwa usukidi boni ngumimilisi. Simisa. Phimisa la. Phinda futhi. Ubeka igama lakho.
Lerato.
Isibongo ngaba isibongo.
Akamsiza.
Msisi. Okay, thula uvala imic yakho. One, two. Hey! Yo! Yay! Nkosi yami. Ake singithele ntombazana ngo-drink. Awusingithele ngo-drink ntombazana. Hey! Awu. Ngani. Phefumula la, izala. Osala. Awu ngaqeda ukukhuluma ngathi. Ukukhuluma ngawo siphela kanjani manje? Phela kanjani ngaqeda ngitshela indaba zakho. Phela kanjani? Thank you so much, Kesi.
Guys, let's all tap, guys. We tap, we share.
A second, guys. A second. Guys, all of us, let's all tap, guys. Let's tap in, guys. Let's tap in. Thank you so
much, Thando. Thank you so much. Nathi sizomfena manje, sizomfena. Yes, we're almost there.
There's a second. Let's all tap the screen, guys. Let's all tap the screen, guys. A second song, guys. Man, do say thank you, Lihle. Thank you, guys. A second screen. A second. Nasang mga naman sepas a kidibon. Guys, walk about the masa puti kidibon. Second. Man, do say thank you. So, second, guys. All of us. Jango man test there's a kidibon. Gan second, cause I'm second so kes nga 500. Guys, I'm not sepas a kidibon nga tell cause I'm bedside. Share live because I'm gagging. Look,
Tronje, thank you so much. Wena. Tando, thank you so much.
yes.
Okay. Thula wena sithi silima sentombazane. Thula. Sonke abantu base awunawo abantu bakho wena. Awunabo. Ngikutshela ukuthi wena uyi-group wena. You are a group wena. Mami Ruto. Bathi wena nukumuntu umruto uring wena. Nukisihlama. Awugezi nokugeza. Awusinakekeli. Enomncane. Mamrutwana marichilana. Sisi. Uright. And mina ngiyacala ukuyizwa lento le yama bless. Yazi uri and problem yena nokuzotha iwane. Awufuna ukusinakekela thina masikeza thina endanga zenu. Masikeza nithi thina yezi yamaslay queen thina we are sponsored. I work so damn hard. Ukhuluma umbhedo. Hello bona dichakatala na ditlhapa le re ke di slay queen they are sponsored. Amadoda when ulitsibela ka dipipi la Zimba. No, awuthi sitshele ukuthi wena uyazela pipi la kaZimba. Njengoba unikeza iexample ngalo. Sesi, asithi slay queen ke thakatala na tja go tlhapa, tja go rata metsi. Gana ka wena ngwanyana, gana ka wena. O ka senyise ke motolo wa nyisa ke life wa nyisa ke unemployment wena self wa se tlhokomele. Anyeke sisi. You have to excel in one of those things. You have to choose. Pega manje. Pega ugari someone bo ubulete ari kwena spiritual wife. You look like a rejected ritual mermaid from Nigeria. Back rejectile like baboni uthi akasiri khithe chelete asimfuni lo. Pega. Rokolelo I'm consent. She's coming anginandaba angimsabi lo. Mamrudo nna ke tshaba Mamrudo. Hayibo. Pega marashin lawa itu fast. Ditsebe di kae? Akanazo. That's why hana ditsebe. Qoka kahle ke. Bia roko yo gabotse. Let me teach you how to dress. Bia roko gabotse. How to act o ka re kwena le 1K o le 2K wena. Paro ka re ke monna. No, o ka re ke mkhulugumete. Ola go skimsami ola khwezi amolaileng. O tsona le this girl. Ene shemtana bantu una 20 years. Toba. Hati tlhokomele herna re tlhokomela. Hayi wena ndombazana uphethe stress. Okay, let me tell you why I don't stream on weekends. Mina I do overtime on weekend. Let me tell you why. Angizwela uthi mina ngiyadayisa. Drogo yawo, mudzila wa hawo. Tell your people to play. It's not a sniping game.
Thank you, uzothula sis. Uzothula, you will keep quiet sis. Ngikho abantu baphesha mina. Uzothula silimeseta ubazana. Thank you so much KH. Thank you. Hey, you will keep quiet. Awuyange esikoleni angithi ngigifta thina ngakho yasebenza. Thank you KH. Oh, guys please. Awungeke abafezi basafikile ngiphesheya ke manje. Elile ngawe sis. Ufedile ka wena awusi. Yes. Clock it. Okay, you gotta click it today, whether you like it or not. Thank you, sis. Thank you, my sister. Thank you, Monica. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, Kitty Bonnie, everyone. Thank you, guys.
This is not a sniping game. Guys, but it's in a must clock it. Okay, let me clock it. Guys, thank you so much. Kilebogile, thank you so much. Tsireletso, thank you. Mzila, thank you so much. The goddess, thank you. Kivene, thank you so much. My people, let's go. Let's push, guys. Kitla moja. Fiona kitlo moja ka bajuju. Guys,
let's spend the time to make the game interesting. Let's all tap, guys. As second, guys, sit down. Yes, sometimes life will humble you and you won't believe it. You won't believe it. That it's happening to you all. Guys, it's happening, guys. Thank you, Machil. Uthandwa yimba githi yanti. I mean, banothe ngithanda. Ahimade Wali up the bucks. Wena akaze bekutshela abantu ukuthi bayakuthanda sis ngoba ukho natural. Mina nginatural, bangithanda nginatural sis. Yebo sis, angithi wena ukhethe ukufaka inywele zabantu abafileyo. Guys, let's all tap and play, guys, on the ×3, please, guys. Can you please try to play on the ×3, guys? Let's all tap, guys. As tapping, guys. Let's all tap, guys. As tapping. Khona nje umuntu ongathandi ihash. Ngoba ngishibusuku uyovela athi aphindwa ke inwele ezihash. Mina ngiyabonga mina ukuthi ngiyayithanda nginjeni. Mina futhi ngibe ngibuka esibukweni ngibona ngimuhle.
Thula. You're not leading.
Sikhuluma nabantu bami ukuthi mina ngitshela abantu
thula ungakhokhela iscam thina udlanya.
When ukuyitshela ukuthi umuhle ngoba uNkulunkulu ukudalile noma bengathi umubi ube neself.
Yes, we need one more rose. To activate the speed. Thank you so much, host. Thank you.
Yes, we need 2 roses, guys, please. We need 2 roses, team. Yes, we get that. We need 2 roses, guys. Guys, if you have a rose, thank you, Tandi. 1 more rose, guys. We need 1 more rose, guys. Guys, don't forget me, guys.
Hi, boo, guys. 1 rose. Yo, guys, 1 rose. You're from a different person. Activate the speed, Bangan. Good. Buye ku WhatsApp uphinde ubuye last week. Hayibo. Guys, ngimtshela ukuthi lo uyi premature lo. Slow learner. Vuya. What happened? King of Kings official. Push yet.
Get the ball. I mean surprise. Surprise. Angazwa ngikubiza ngokukita ibona ngaphela ikita ibona imuhluku natural food. Can I ask you a question? Sisi ngicela ukubuza ukuthi inkosi yami ukwazi ukuthenga ifontrali uthenge ama-eyelashes uhambe ye-take yofaka ucream kodwa usuhlula ngokushintsha ikheteni lagogo wakho sisi uyabona ingqondo awunayo ikhetini okushela ugogo wakho sisi. Are you proud with that curtain of yours? Wena noma nemali nje kodwa kodwa nje sisi awushintshi ikhethini sisi uyisilima kodwa uthenga ini amalento amafrotali. Wena kumele nje ukuvakashela ukidibona unengqondo sisi kafani nawe nihleli ngengqondo sisi. Angifuni-ke besizodlala nayo kusasa ufele lo khethini lakho ngama-MVP sisi afila this usune-frontal ka-Brazilian hair ka 8,000 or 10,000, I don't care. But ufila ukuthenga ilento ikhethini shunalependi wena sisi uyaligqoka lokhu elinembobo sisi ipendi ke wena sisi.
Nokuzothe uyabona ukuthi uyangijwayela manje.
Singakubuza nombuzo sisi. Ngikupa mshwarela.
Ukuthi akamtharele dog yawo. Mase. Hawu.
Guys, thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much. Sithandiwe Keleza, guys.
Yeah. Uyahlanya lwana movie.
Siphini, guys. Can you please all tap the screen? We are not fighting. We are playing. Oh, press ngihlekiselani guys, asisephele screen. Elinye bakithi at least nalo ne-ipedi elinevibe elifana nokidiboni bakithi. Ngiyamthanda naye. Guys, asisephele screen sonke. Asisephele screen guys, asisephele screen guys, asisephele. Lizuru lamapedi labona ukidiboni. Wathi lizuru lamapedi. Hawu. Usekhuluma nendoda yakhe ke manje usurprise.
Uyathanda amadoda nokudoda. Amadoda. Amadoda. Uba nathi mina ngikhuluma nomngani wami la ungangiphapheli wena. Silima. Wena uyawathanda awakuthanda amadoda. That's the thing. That's the thing. That's why unayenga.
Guys, it's a screen, please. Can you please also the screen?
But she's lucky because I don't have coins. King of Kings somthola lo. Sazodlala naye lo.
Guys, we need to play. Guys.
Lingwas fene sakulubi.
Type please, a second, guys. We need 3 roses, team. We need 3 roses, guys. If you have 3 roses, please do send them, guys. You are trying to protest Amastrix manje, guys. Azizameni ukudlala, guys.
Isilungu mshaye mlumeni isilungu. We are trying to protest Amastrix. Njani? Isilungu. Mlume. Yes, we must protest Amastrix. Papa gabi wena.
Guys, we need 3 roses. You can send it.
Thank you so much, T. Thank you so much. Pause, thank you, Nyabong. Thank you. Usimoshela isikhathi.
It's not about this speed, sis. Guys, can you
Usimoshela isikhathi. We're wasting our time. Welcome. Guys, can you get to 500?
Guys, can you please go and tip in
Can you get a corgi? That corgi will be 100.
Guys, can you please some restriction?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my love.
Bye, Kulu. How are you?
Screen, please. Ngoba ngizohamba ngiyogeza bese ngiyabuya. We have to play. Uzofala nini surprise?
Hayi mina ngisasekhona ntombazane, ngisasekhona ukukhusha namhlanje.
Serious namhlanje shi.
Uzothula ke.
Amastrix.
Uzothula. Nomlomo utshekile ngathi
awunawo 500 sisa tuyisilima anti sawukwazi sho nokubala sis. Kodwa uyakwazi ukuqala ngemehlo ukuthi ingakanani into yokuchama kababa omdala labo jola nabo. Bese siphini screen. Ukwazi ibala sis.
wena sihlahla.
Sixayela. Sixayele siwuwawu.
Sama.
Ring.
Guys, let's get to 500. Guys, thank you so much. Godoi.
Sumanyo.
Wena msatha kanyoka.
Usajona into emzuthi. Hayi susibi ihlupho lento dale bithuka nesisi. Into omzulu. Bibiza ngomhlathu wanyoko sisinomsulu wanyoko. Awu Ntombi. Oh sisi.
Okay, siku 500 thula wena, thula. Nomlomo utshekile. Bakushaya nge-stroke. Ake bakushaya nge-stroke. Thula, thula. Ake bakushaya nge-stroke sasemncane ne? Wena kahle kahle ufuna ukuphethe wena. Ayisiko wena.
Bengamelanga ukhulume ngaso.
Thank you. Michelle, thank you so much. Khulu, thank you so much.
Sakhaya.
Ufuna ukuhamba?
Bengamelanga ukhulume ngesiporo.
Bewungamelanga wenzeni?
Ngashaya sisiporo sesingifokile manje.
Yo, wena nkwe. Nkwe o kare ke ya Kolobe, nkare ke sefene sa Kolobe. Guys, thank you so much, man. The trick's gone. Kona na re ke mmahensi. A se a go hele TikTok. Ne? Mazulwana kwatile. Asina ndaba naye. Yo, lena la kwata shamba pedi la kwata. Guys, let's all tap, guys. Anything times 2. We need 500. Samthulis. Usefonini ukhuluma nendoda yakhe. Abafana. Lo bekamphekela iRes le amshile. That's why I saw results of his stress. Shiye ngumfana. Bega. Miriri ya hao ya fufurega. Miriri ya fufurega because of mushimane.
Siyasijula ney'ntanga zethu, hhayi wena usuwazi bonke abo-science.
Miriri yona. Kiri miriri o kare ke mango. Sala bona mango ba o gemile mango o fetša ka mango. Dilo tšela di tsenang ka mo. Guys, we need 2 roses. Guys. We need to activate. Now we need to play, guys. We need to play. Molefe, thank you so much. Michelle, thank you. Bokamoso, thank you so much. Take one step.
Need one more rose, please. Thank you, Uzandi Kasa. Guys, we need one more rose, guys. One more rose, please. One more rose. We need one more rose.
Usathaleli rose.
Kahle phela wena. Phela abantu bami abathanda ukukhipha ama-rose abantu bami.
You can't be streaming uku A-Leaf and then when ukhalila ama-rose. It doesn't make sense. Guys, recommend this ale nanyeke phela. Guys. Can you get to 500? Niyambona? Heri muja wa tsamaya. Heri muja wa chava. Guys, times 3. Take one step at a time. There is no need to rush. It's like Kate utaisa in nokuzotha. On a serious note, what is it utaisa in?
Sisi ngase kuzomele ngihambe kumele ngiyopheka.
Uyophekela indoda.
Anginayo indoda mina sisi.
Uyamazi usikomotha ne? Isikomotha. Bathi ufana uyamazi ufana naye. Sisi mina fana ngihambe movie. And when tomorrow when you come here, you must fix Hey, Bunte, how are you, Nana? How are you? Tomorrow you must fix your hair. Ukari kwenda mengu bafika ukuza bawutosa bawulathela kwa.
Wena uhambe uyothenga ikhethini, uyidraw uyothenga ikhethini sisi. Yokuqala nje kumele uyenze. I-frontal lenye uzoma.
Bunte gore Nana. Ngiyakubula.
Ne-headboard awunawo ngisho i-headboard wena surprise uyisilima nje isidepudeni esinika ngendololwane sisi. Uthenge i-headboard uthenge nalento nani uwondle nasekhaya sisi ufake imali ekhaya yekela ukufaka ama-frontal sisi. Iyasept ukuthi umubi kanjena sisi. Yena ufaka ama-fish nasentombazane. Lelo khethe lisosishela ugogo ukhokho wakho lisekhona namanje lama 1870s noma 70s khona lokho 200 centuries ago. Hayi sisi siphila usize nje utheka lelo khethini la kubalekisa ama-MVP arms sisi ukuthi awunangqondo kodwa u-1128 awunalo ngisho ikhethini
Maya wena le night dress. Umncane kabi for that rogo wena. I-fashion sense yakho of tech. Arintsengi guys uchabile. Hayi mari tipsine ka yena. Unale enga ngwalula yo. Mara ka se re lebale ke sure. Ka se re lebale. Quite sure. Oh, okay, bula sesi. And utle o se re smoke. Ba re mogoto o ile. Yo ai ba pedi la rogana sheba aye. Utle o se re smoke mo. A re nna go bapala. Re ke mo invite ga nyane ke moroga.
Yeah, babe.
Why ubaleka wena mhlathu wenjani? Sunuka nyoko. Why wenza so wangabalelisa? Ukhulise kanjani?
Asifunekise kuphume wena nxa esesithandwa sami.
Hey, masifa how dichileta how.
Ngiyaqolisa isithandwa sami ngizokubona sodlala mengibuya me-episode. Oh mana sidlale nalo.
Yes, wangabalelisi. Wangabalelisi.
Ten minutes after the hour, 4 p.m. Radio TikTok. Zanmanani.
Ayikho Mosi surprise.
Partner yam. Hi, official.
Ay, surprise. Udlezinye manje ubuntle. Buntle.
Hello.
Are live really true kako.
Wena bontle ba sa go tanyotse, ba sa go jile. Are life really tuki. Ba sa go rile kako.
Una maga wena.
O tlo tshama go wa ditayana. O wa ditayana ge pula ena mo and then go turi ga ba mo. So. O sa go jile, se go buite, o sa go jile. O sa go robele.
Uthini kele? Ayimuzwa. Ujama tayenza sisi.
Banasiqale asibathungu.
Usenda kanime.
Ati siyibele nyokuzi.
Akere ke bua.
Man. Ujama tayenza.
Uthi ufuna wena ushaba.
Wena uthi tayenzani?
Njani futhi uyaphila?
Ngithi uthi tayenzani?
Uthi unjani uyaphila na?
Yeah.
Buntle go leti mo. Wena a utlo tla mo utlo kgale ke re tinyana ba TikTok.
Uyisilima uyisikhatha uyisitayela sisi. Uyisilima shemsisa futhi uqabha manga. Ngiyaqala ukubona ipede elingenangqondo ngaze uyisilima be-surprise uyisilima nje. Ipede elingenangqondo nje sisi. Ubalekisa indoda manje sisi ngizomthola mina ushaba manje. Ubalekisa indoda silima sentombazane. Sala nokudla. Yashiya sisi. Ngabe sigeza amehlo lana surprise uyisilima. Just because unothanda bo-sugar daddy nameme ngibalekelo indoda namanje bethu. Awuyisilima sisi yezwa. Uyisilima. Kwenzakala ngabuze mothini okuzutha. Kwenzakala ngabuze. Sobalekisa indoda manje lona. Awusilima senu. Uyaphaka surprise ngiyakuzwa sisi. Uyaphaka surprise ngiyayisile namhlanje.
Na life ya ka revolve around mashima. I don't care about boys. Anginanda middle finger to the boys mina. Anginanda bana.
taba surprise.
Wena o reng wena o reng?
Le bolela kang kanti?
O ema pele ke bua ka gore nna ke lwetse wena moshimane o la re o nyoko tsamaya le wena o sa go robetse wena ka go lwela after mo bona ba nkwatela
O berekile wa ntwela matsulo a re a buang kanti. Bona no go tsotsa lena. My people, whatever gives us any sense. Thank you so much. My people, let's work together. Thank you, the great sinners.
guys thank you so much mbadi tsine no go thabele vele o kwatile gore moshimane o tsamaile o rata bashimane mara o tshaba metsi bashimane ba rate batho ba sa tlhapeng sese
Wait, 500 price game or what is what? Actually, no, kwara na ile fela 500.
wa yena a nroga a re nna ke slima ke tšhabiša bashimane bona o tlile leshaba bona wena nokuzotha ukuthi uyislima uze noshaba shaba makafika la uthi bunta sambe singale mabhebese uyabona ukuthi wenzani uze nomfana makafika la umfana abele athi bunta sambe yi manje ukushile usamkhalela guys okay 500 meeting game
500 and above, they keep quiet. Getting but wait for.
Guys, we need 4 roses.
4 people, 4 roses.
Bali, thank you so much, Mama. We need 3 more people. Guys, 3 more.
4 people, that's not 4.
Monica, thank you. Thank
you so much. Thank you so much, Andy. Thank you, the brother. Thank you, guys, and 2 more people.
Guys, let's have 500 trophies and then we'll pay squab again. Walla should you call la ulela mushimane.
But why 2 more gifters, come on now. But why very guys, 2 gifters, no. Hey, 2 more people. 2 more gifters, 2 more people. Look, so the hunter
Ufuna mushimane ola. Wala mazulu. Guys, okay, hand heart one, guys. Guys, we just need 1 hand heart. Transport, how are you?
My people. Man, unali ko surprise kwena.
Kisona slima sesandombazani ufela yakwa. Kinna isalona. Okay. Ishapu no again. Okay, khumulang. Ngizali ke alida jwang. Wena nokuzotha. Abafana ngeke bakusize ka next. Bazikungithiza kuphela babele bakushiya. Wena bunze bya minone ya go fasi bya forokoto tsa go fasi sisi. Gara ga dikhala tse ka mo go kgetha khale pingi o le ngwana tso moloi muswa o kgetha khale pingi. Tlhalosa ka boripana ngwana ka gore ke hairstyle ya botama ke hairstyle ya magogo bale eo ke ya magogo eo. Ona saluni ngwana wa di dress tse di dirang so. O mo wena o ka re ke mmengu o bona mmengu go snow ja bontle snow ja dilo tse tsa tsena ka mo hairstyle ya ngwana vele nokuzotha ufuna ushaba ukhalele ushaba hayibo na imihlolo yami guys nokuzotha ngikutshela ukuthi abafana bafuna umuntu ane skin routine to start awune skin routine that's why abele atsena ka moati ya bontle uhambile uthuka mina so why you play manna so mthatha ushaba so mlandele susa isandla lapha Stiti sentomba buya la wena bundle Tula fasi.
Ingele ke shemani.
I'm done defending. I guess I don't defend. If bashimane ba reng ba go tšea o tsamaye le bona. Tsamaya wena.
Thank you so much to those who are taking this. Aisha. Wow, wa kan tuwa ke bolela gantsi. A ke re eso.
maybe ke ya gago tsena WhatsApp iya WhatsApp ya gago boe o bue ka mo
Ke nna, a se nna.
tsena tsamaya WhatsApp o bue
Ke tswa live completely.
no ba phisana
Yo, a ke connected ka router ya ka.
guys ke bontwaneng e khore ke nna gabotse nna ke kwešiše ke phisana ke phisana TikTok e tlo re bena ke re ga e santse a zoom o ga tseba le yena re ende di-live and then re bue gape wa bona
Batho ba ka, ka go bitsanang banna. Awa e kwe ke no. Nna nka no tswa ka nka no tima live ka tla ka bua.
that's why le nna ke re ke tla tima ka boo
That's what we. Guys, in 4 gifters, 4 roses, 4 people.
Balin.
Guys, in 4 gifters, 4 roses, 4 people, guys. Thank you so much, Labogang. 3 more people, guys. But wait, 3. 3 more, guys. Okay, no problem, my dear.
Ape ya o ne mollo ga di batla go ba kae ya o na batho na
Thank you so much, Mapula. 2 more people, guys. 2 more people.
one more rosinyana
Guys, 2 more people, guys. 2 more gifters. 2. Yo, 1 more. Thank you, Musa. What's back at Thomas Sondela, Valley? What's back at Thomas Sondela? Oh!
o rasa ngwana
Thank you, Musa. I'm surprised. Eko ki antibili kanya wona ake ente ga ngwale.
o ka sente a ntse le mametokelo
Ona sona surprise nga bogolla nna ka re ke ne 8 nna ke. Nga bogolla nna ke ne 8. Mme 2 wena.
humola wena le mena go shashatsa why o sne hlalosa ka boripana ngwana ka gore o streama sa mohuta man sa go hloka echo ke lenyatso tabeo why o le ka mo lesiswane o streamela ka mo lesiswane muswa go hloka ring light streamera sa go hloka ring light ke lenyatso tabeo pay attention ka go kwatetse wena le matlho a dipotlana boela morago le matlho a dipatšhana ane dipatšhana matlho a go a so ane dipatšhana ka mo hello hi user ga botse wena o moto mogolo gore ngwana a ke kwešiše like mo kgeletlalana la gago le rago bonna ena ke kwele ke mona wa matšatši mara mejana gago o nyako tšhaba le 8 nights o nyako tšhaba le yona aowa a re nyako e tšaka mmutlho wa go gore e nyaka straight
E banna.
wena ke a leta go mola re ke matlhwana a dipotlana a dipatšhana motho a ka futa diranta ka boiteleng mara wena wane o kgetha manala wa mapinki-pinki ka re a baloi ao wa bong kgaleo go ne le di-nude colors re a se re bone ona ya loma tlhogo ya loma a se papai tretse ke tsa ma-teachera la gale le manesa la gale a se style tša baswa tšeo le ya tlhotlhona o tla rewa and wena ke rate style sa gore o phengisana le mmago ka di-hairstyle ke hairstyle a mmago eo o phengisana le mmago ka di-hairstyle di-2000 o sekwela o hloka tsebe e ritsa mo re stata o boo
Batho ba ka le skela felo ke restata live. Le skela felo le bile bitsanang insert ye bitsanang. Bitsanang ye. Ke restata ke a boa ga ntwa le 2 minutes 2 seconds. No so, I'm coming back. No.
much mara surprise today o nwileng ke energy kaka wo ba tella bana ba go neng gale ke no ba tlogela ba iketsetsa Beyonce mo TikTok. So guys ke direng ke nna ke sanele echo le nna ke re start before bua or jo TP. Thank you so much for the heart me. Oh ya ke shapa ke okay a re memele batho ba ka. Thank you so much MVP ke le lebogile go menagane Sidro. Thank you Mbali, thank you Tshireletso, thank you so much. Mara batho ba bang ba stakile mo ke guys re ke starteng ke bueng ya le gopela cause batho ba bang ba stakile mo hape go tsena batho ba bang ba stakile mo ena ba sala gona. Wena o tlile late mogao ne re bapala lo le ba reng ke no go sota na go le batho ba 400 ka o futumetse gore futumetse or no. Okay re ke ska restart ge ke ska restart ha re tla bona skimi sa feleng bona
Where's the cha iPhone?
Thank you so much. Fresh. Thank you so much. But what about Misha the movie? Say, what about Misha the movie? Say, guys.
I'm back like I never left. My people, I'm back.
So guys, baby, thank you so much.
My people.
O botse ya go etsa maile go tapa screen. Yo no go tsotang tugile kudu ka garatinela. Ara garatinea ka he garatineng yo nna ya. Pisa ne shumisha mo bisele monna. A go ne ntire ka ri ya. O motle, thank you so much Michelle, thank you so much.
Tumutong budget bana tsaka. Riam plan ri But waka. My people, bichanang, sharang life.
Mention to your kitten. Kinokuzotha. Athi mina nginangqondo. Hey, why vele ngixoki frontally njengoba ikitten iso yakudala ugogo wami angishiyela yona. Ikitten he mina ngithatha icreamy. He mina ngiyacreama. Ngithanda amadoda. Yo.
Guys.
Yeah. Just shit. Marlena ke muditse. Karo wena o ka se nna thoka. Karo ka tsugile wa natha wena. Sale o ija ning milkshake. Sale o ija ning di muesli. Bona se fatlo go sa go se magpa.
Chat, don't go anywhere, my dear. Wait. My people, we're gonna need 3 people.
Okay, no guys, re tlogela no go tsa re dila ka o. Small. Re sahlela small 500. Hanyeo. Mahao, thank you so much mama. Thank you so much. Transport Ambali, thank you. Bokamoso, thank you so much. Umutle, thank you.
There's 2 more guitars, but why 2? There isn't time. Let's work together, guys. 500 and above to keep quiet.
No rupila ka pshana wena fa.
There's 2 roses, 2 people, but baba bedi ba go fapana.
There's nothing she can do. Akere malapa a lekane.
Life na siaka.
Ke pela sportation. Okay a gago. Ga nna na bola ke. O ke tlojo after mo ke tla tswa ka bua.
Ya gago motho o tla ka network nyana mo swatla mo tlo ke jarna. Ivana. Thank you so much, Kevin. Thank you.
500. Yeah, ke 500.
My people ga pele na kwa tanga wo gale awa. Sina motho wa re tsa motho awa. Ka ba mpotsa tabana. I was surprised me. O tjo ubu.
Ya ke tla. Okay, khumul. So ga go isa sana so san tu grege.
Kina ke
39% na.
Musa wa go re ring light ka phone. Musa go re ring light ka phone.
Compromise ke
Musa wa go re ring light ka phone. Ah wa bontawa. Horo.
ha entisage
Esa ngeke. Rogotanti. O re ke ring light. Go botse ke re ke ring light kae wa re wena o tla reka ring light a le wa kgomo. Ring light a le wa kgomo o tla le le spitsanela e lahlile molala e rile se. Wa ke le manese a sa dira that hairstyle ba re ke red flag hairstyle eo. Manese no at least a ita ka di-pixie cut-nyana se. Jale wena o le musa wa no kgethora le no ntira ena ya peni. Nna yo ngwana. Ene motho a phengisana le peni mo mmung. Ba kae batho ba gago? Ba kae go tenda? Ba kae? Ba so kundene ska ya pilo ko tla re sa te ka bo.
Ana no ska tja di go di start. Re start motho wa yena o emetse mo ka di start.
Ke buile sorry batho ba ka. Maga o tshometsane go gopotse jwang. Go tsa ke batho wa tlhoka. O shitane batho ba 89 yena ngwanola. Guys, la bona re kena wa rieng eko. Guys, let's also have batho ba ka thuto. Fela mita o itlo ya bu.
Hawa. Guys, your first is going to be tripled. 500 and above, she keeps quiet. Moshang, bro, what's up? What do I miss? I'm Milomo. Warasa, tlhogo le keletwane. Banyana ba matšhitšana ba sa ria di-ring light ka difounu. Ke eng it is? What is this? It's 1 point. Sa lo tsena mo life a seng kontita ka difounu. Bona. Ke kitso. Ke flexing. Baka batho ba ka go ba sorry pack. Thank you so much, Tina. I look at the Mutra okay, I repeat. Guys, and 2 roses. Can you mara? This thing is okay. If we jog, I to 2 gifts. Kita spilling no. Like right. Oh. Getting 2 gifts, 2 roses, 2 people. Zero. Thank you. Oh, Miss. Thank you so much, Mrs. Thank you. Guys, one more. Okay. Oh, thank you, Tenda. It's okay. It's okay. But I think they cannot do anything. One year like. Ako tisi sa mablongan. Ano mablongan na kaya fish ako ni tao man. Ha? Style sa bakhe kulo. Ako buli tjela la garte. Nela mo timo plomo ka mo nthago. Ako beba go botsa mo. O ntlhokisha. Lo tsena nna wena o di anyaso. O mpotsa ka mana la mapinki. Di filkanyana tsa di tsa mablongwana o lo moka. Ore. Yo jela manala o ke ka bua. Go itatsana matanyolo go ga ela jela ka kati. Go mpotsa ga. The table has 10. The table. They do this. 10 to go. I like what I see. Wa shokisha ga ba ndidia mo ga ba ndidia o shapo ngwaneso ka gontle o shapo motho la modia ga mo so snack motho o re ba itile ka motho le ka bona surprise ele bolela ka batho le gateka ina no tompiela nne na no tang bona no go tlotse maatlo ka rone di dipula medudi no go botsa gore ka le bana wena o ka se bapale motho hey le 90s wa rasa le 90s le le ka go rasetsa yona
So tenta kala ser manigano te fela fela.
o tsa o lahle ba tla ntlhete o wa ba le sekgwankgwa lla sa ngwaga ka moka
Ro na tiste manigano te fela.
ai mama ka botse o bolelang ka tsone ka botse what are you saying what are you talking what mo le duro bolela le na re bona le go bolela sekgwa mantle ke sekgwa sa rena se a turo o tlhole re bolela so she's talking. Hi guys, hi. Surprise. No my 90s. Kili butse ga my 90s ba balla ntwa go le ma 2K. A tla le tubi na isa. Shiba. Lu sorry sa di orisi. Ka di chance wena. He win ka batho ba. Tu tenda. Le lombane le tsinka. Ikoti marame. Ikoti marame. Ntse ke militiana. Le militiana di thamo. Usho baiti. Serna vamo. Usho baiti. Yes, she cannot. Wow, what's about she can't compare Manigana to her 26 lives. Oh, moja asa ukushisha. Riki mukhalasi daga steady. Jeleta surprise. Thank you, Sarati Tender. Thank you so much, Kelavoga. You are highly appreciated. Thank you so much, Mr. Tappers. Those who gifted, thank you so much. Baba Shenda ko life Kelavoga. Hello, Munde. Hello, Linda. Amartavia. Ake surprise mo na lili network sa ko sa mukha.
Ako network yang ona siya.
Siaka. Network ka jwang kanti.
Kunti ki network yang gae. Ata wan ta se taun ru le kudu, wan ta se taun ru le kudu kino nita go lita ki ki ta wena.
Itu dira gamang. Kaya ni
Anything can Mano do the video. Do the video.
Whatever. Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Tenda. What do you wanna? It's what I think. When I let away, get out. Look Japan.
Echo, I don't want to lie.
Echo, get out. What you most noble Echo?
Guys,
Oh, thank you so much, Tenda.
Wakwa, bulele. Wakwa salgo na ke aga go ntwe. Iya WhatsApp, uska jwa 88 mo uno ya WhatsApp wa bua. Batuluji, thank you so much. La bona tsamaile, akine echo. A bua motlo ba le yona ke aga.
Is it my next?
Bunte tlogela o shumisha mbisele batho ba modimo re mo bapalang shumisha mo
Tenda, guys, one rose, guys, one more person, mutumute. Guys, one more person, mutumu one. Oh, Mrs. Limo guy.
Guys, one more rose.
Rose.
Walena. Yes, we need one more rose. Anyway, thank you so much. Hey, 4 bees. Thank you.
What's gonna happen?
Times 2.
Times 2. Kitabaka Channel 2. I don't know. Guys, whatever gift you send is gonna be double. Thank you, $10.
Guys, lo chusa ke 1.7 ela nto ka manike ni lo idira.
Ivana. Una tento no la camera lindidi. Yena, una no to la camera. I was like, let me just try to like keep them okay longer. Maybe. Thank you so much, guys. And whatever gift you send is gonna be times 2 doubled. Thank you so much. Bona tati, bona no to mama.
Thank you so much.
Hey, what's
Guys,
happening?
it's a lot. It's a lot.
It's a long one.
It's a buena. What are the rings?
Lino.
No, got a shop now.
Guys, it's a lot. Kin kurang kan? Mana tahu aku tak ada ni. Kin musa kan bel?
But that's for some of us, I won't go away. I'm not going to tell you.
Usaha kan? Usaha buat awa. Quick here. Surprise! Hindi niya ka-re-restart ba the same time together.
Okay, next game. Reset it.
Next, never ko restart kan kita kan. Next match ne restart.
Oh.
Guys, the next match restart because there's an effort.
Okay. So le bonte nna ke tlo kgona go kwera ga botse o ditse le batho.
Kinoshi.
Oh, ke sa nna ena ba le. Nna ke tlo kgona go kwera ga botse. Okay, I restart.
Restart, but bagal sila fuel. Kan daw ka pala.
Zama abathi uzame. Oh,
Hello.
Please, smokeless.
you good? Surprise, you good?
I'm not smokeless, me.
I'll add someone else there. Add someone else.
Let me add Bontle because I was playing with her and then the restart.
Oh, okay. You can add her.
Hi.
Ano surprise eh?
Hello.
Hi.
Insang ushap.
Bontle ke rena re isha go teng ga mpele re isha go teng ba ba isha go teng.
Munerneri. Thank you so
Hey,
much.
I get it. It will be gents versus like ladies or something. I don't know.
It's not like when it is smoke. Tanaka, how are you?
Tina ngicela asomblief surprise will go under you, right?
Guys, tap the screen.
Idiot.
Guys, tap the screen. Hi, my
500 quiet game.
musicani.
Yes, thank you for the likes.
That's me.
Hey, or Bontle. Or belinya ka solo, belinya gore like re solo ka mokana. O alita nyi bena ro. Wo mechota.
Wait.
Okay.
Oh, my.
Okay.
Okay.
Your best gift is gonna be
Phone kungasho.
I one love. How is
Guys, times 3, everybody we
I
tap.
one love.
Hi, SARS, yes.
How?
Tina vele, mana vele mna.
Go ndire ka go loka mo ngapo ka seno re basadi ba rena ba di
Surprise! Eh? Like, you gotta squawk and do what
wow ba re ka spedi o tseba spedi o wa jureke o 50 cent o tseba spedi a o bola spedi o
Asipile, you good? Oya pila asipile.
habo
Guys,
habo
Kalama Rose is out too, from 2 different people, right?
habo
Let's yeah, we need 2 roses, guys. 2 roses. Let's try to activate speed.
Tanaka. Oh. How are you?
Oh, you need times 2 times 3. Who the heli? What the heli?
so much
Thank
like
you so much.
Guys, we need 2 roses. I'm good, Asipile. I'm good. I've been seeing you. That's been good bona these days. Maranga you just, I don't know. Thank you so much, Ferreira. I hope I said your name right. Thank you so much for the rose. I hope I said your name right.
like
Next 1 week and but I'm trying to be
just in the road.
consistent.
Mas kamu mau belas? Wow, kita
batho ba ba se kwa spedi wena o tlo tshitse ke batho ba
Game, right?
Thank you.
Let's play on the triples, Jet.
Thank you.
Let's
Guys,
meet the
let's go,
buggers.
guys. Let's step. We are almost.
Mara ga botsana le tetšeng mo.
We are almost, guys.
Awa
We
ke
are-
a bu. A o mongwe a shuka network ya ga ya go tema ke gone o kwiše gore o etsalang ka ena. Are re invite Bon o tla dia. O etsalang ke eng idiot.
No. Thank you so much. No. Thank you.
Go
That-
harder, bro.
You can keep quiet. We're not surprised. You are surprised.
Guys, times 3, guys. Times 3. Let's try, guys, on the times 3. Guys, we are sitting on 60.
You are
On the
surprised.
times 3.
yourself.
But I don't mod anymore, Kabang. Maravel, you don't mod anymore. It's fine.
Why Puzanga to Puzamanzi? Nami Kunu Faziazi.
No, but Ferreira, honestly, how do I actually say your name? Like,
Oh, I
can you
can't.
break it down? Like, is there a way of you breaking it down? Laika. Oh my
Surprised. I thought you
goodness.
said you have smoke. What's going on?
Jesus Christ. I know I said that wrong. Hi, Uya, you good? I just know I said that wrong. Oh, Laika?
You are
Where you from?
You are smokeless.
Thank
you so much.
Laika.
Thank you so much.
I've been reading it, but I failed. Bro, I'm
That's all.
trying my best. I don't know. Is that how I pronounce it? Laika. Mara, you guys are smokeless. Honestly. Kirilo ma ake bona gore ra leader
Guys,
mo.
if I was not playing a game, it would be 600. There would be 600 to 800 people watching me now. Now I'm playing a game. There's 150. Hey, you guys are not.
Shut up there, surprise, idiot.
You guys are not. serious.
Wine. Shut up there.
Hey,
Never come people. I get lena get on people. I get a rich team. Lena team ya lena wait along kamo. Le a sokol le two. Sis.
hey.
No, that
I
one.
don't
One.
wanna lose my- I don't want to lose my ring light, guys, because I feel like.
Tier 1-1.
Please tell me if you can see me properly. I think I'm
I'm not
fine.
gonna flop. But I'm not a better 1-1. Khane na no ke two. I got you. Sorry.
Thank you. And who else? Nontombili Eka Lirato Eke. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Everybody that tapped.
guys.
Wait, guys. I think like she didn't even confirm, guys. If we said her name right, she didn't say her name right. I'm doing good, Uya. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
Guys, let's
Guys, this old tab. I've been reading it, but I failed.
Screen.
Marabutle.
Chimbunke, Arberekishaning, guys. Mogo do
Guys, everybody we
500.
tab, guys. Let's all
Abang tu
double
ya
tap,
pink.
guys. There's 7 of us, chat. Let's all tap, guys. Let's all
Arba
tap.
dieng.
First gift is
500
times
ba
2.
umula matvaki.
Oh, she said
Guys, in your
yes.
first
Yeah, she
gift is
did
gonna
say
be
yes.
doubled.
She did say yes, actually.
Times two, guys.
Guys, everybody we tap, guys. Else that today TikTok ukuthi Jamie Sabantu sigcine singazi ukuthi who's here, who's gone, who's what is not working. Guys, let's go. Everybody, let's tap, guys. First gift is times 2.
Thank you, guys, and come
I'm
on.
glad you're good, Uya. I'm glad you're good. How was your day? Was the day good? Was the day good? Guys, let's go. Everybody we tap, right? Thank you for the follow, Best Friends Chronicles. How shopping but about smokeless?
Guys, let's tap our screens, guys.
Share a life in it. Down there,
A surprise.
there's an arrow
Zero.
below. You just click on that arrow, and automatically the life is shared. Automatically.
We are now doing 1-1 or what?
Yeah, we are doing 1-1. Apparently. What? Yes, what's your question, Uya?
Guys, wait, Godfather, wait, thank you, my dear.
MK69, thank you for the likes, guys. Let's all tap.
Okay, bottom one can send or share 10 roses or 1 rose.
Hi, my baby.
Asipile Kanji, you are still here. I didn't see you were still here. Why are you so quiet? Are you good? How's your day? Where's Allah? Guys, can I get 10 roses?
From any person.
10 roses, guys.
Send 10 of them. Same time. Guys, come on, time. Oh, Jesus.
Guys, can we get 10 roses to activate speed, guys?
Yeah, miss. The room is 1.
Can we
Room
get
1
10
is fine.
roses,
Your
guys? 10
time.
roses,
Yes.
guys. 10 roses.
Yo, but we shall laugh.
10 roses, guys. 10 roses.
Pujo, we couldn't. Thank you, my dear. We couldn't unlock it. They came late. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you.
What's up? Welcome back. Network ya beka sifoti ukuthi angikhani.
Hi, Mama. How are you? And hi, Rock.
Next round, maybe. 500.
And hi, your born. Masola.
Tanaka smoke sa o se fedile na. Sa 2 seconds. No.
Where is yours?
Sa view one thing.
Where is yours? Where is your own smoke?
Yo.
Where is your own smoke?
What a wow.
No, you're not surprised the last time when my smoke was here. You know. You were quiet for 2 hours.
Maybe
Should I
let's
say
share
tonight?
Tanaka, do you want me to school you? When you say last time we give the past previous game.
That was the last day I played. You know, she is coming. She is coming. You are about to see kittens.
That one you see her after 3 months again. After 3 months.
You don't know her.
After 3
Hold
months.
on. Very soon you'll be online. It's just that you guys want to start playing early. That's why me I like playing around after because my I sound how you, Mr. Dwe, I see you. Now I see you, Oros. I see you.
Smoke sa o see the girl.
Yo, guys, I'm playing. I need to learn how to use my camera, guys. I bought a new camera that I don't know how to use. Now when I use it, yeah, it's terrible. So I need to.
Sorry, Bashir. indaba
I
nes
don't find this switch off the light. It's like,
rogana gane thabo ha o ne smoke
Ana ka no go bitsa idiot ko go rogana. Bye.
500 na baba kumut.
Guys, let's go. 500 quiet game, guys. Let's try.
Taboy.
Oh yeah, I Marana. Maybe it's because yeah, you have a fairy there, and I don't know, bro. But I mean, obviously, fairy represents Uzamo. I know that. And
my balloon, guys.
guys, let's all tap. First gift is ×2, chat. First gift is doubles, guys. Let's use the ×2, guys. 500 quiet game. Let's try keep them quiet, guys. Let's play together.
Guys, ×2, guys.
Let's work together. Whatever you can play, guys, on the ×2. You just play. Let's play together on the doubles, chat. On the doubles, Z. On the doubles. On the doubles. On the doubles. On the doubles. On the doubles.
Guys, this is the second or third game. We still don't have smoke. Kanja, don't cause. Thank you so much.
thank you so much Mao, thank you so much
Ewan, wale motho wa gago.
Jwale batho ba ka bolela batho ba gago baka
It's your person. You are the one who added it.
Guys, let's just keep tapping, guys. Let's get our likes. Abona, guys, if we can't gift, it's fine, right? But let's just push our likes here, guys, at least. So more people can come in. Let's just push our likes, guys, right? Let's try get our likes up to 5K.
Lola, thank you so much for the rose.
Let's try to at least get our likes to 5K, guys. Like at
If
least.
someone sent 10 roses, let's activate speed, guys. Let's try to get serious a little bit. Hi, Luna. Let's try to get serious a little
I'm not
bit.
saying consistently tap, but you know, obviously if you're tired, then you can just like
Guys,
easy.
we need 10
Right.
roses. We need 10
That's
roses.
all.
We need 10 roses. Queen Zeni, thank you so much. Thank you for the donor. Thank you for activating speed. Whoop them. These smokeless people. They don't have smoke. Thank you so much, Luna, please. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you. Guys, we are playing a 500 quiet game there.
And-
500 there. Keep quiet.
And when you have smoke,
Huh?
and when you have smoke,
Who?
when
I'm leading
Can't you see I'm leading?
You leading?
Guys.
Tanaka,
Yes.
you're leading.
Guys, ×2, guys. Let's go.
you need sunglasses, you need glasses, not even
Let's go.
sunglasses.
Thank
you
you
need
so much,
glasses.
Luna. Thank you.
The
Thank you.
lady-
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's take it to 500 here, guys. Let's take it to 500. They must keep quiet.
Guys, I don't even remember getting a rose.
Hi, Leto. I never get bored. Keep watching. Did you watch the ones that I posted today? Guys, let's get it to 500 here. We need to get to 500. Come on. Thank you,
I'd
Lula.
say, long time. You good? I haven't seen you in years.
Oh, but today you're not sending a heart
For
me.
that. Guys, I don't sniping here.
Who is gonna snipe for you?
How? What do you mean who?
Nobody is gonna snipe for you. 100 coins is a lot of coins for you and your people.
You're crazy.
It's a lot. They can't
You're
afford-
crazy. You are
Guys,
crazy.
you can't afford to snipe this. You can't afford to snipe this.
Thank you so much, Mama.
Oh man. Huh?
Wait until I get 500. You
I
guys,
hope you've been good though. I hope you've been good, man. I hope you've been good. How have you been? I've been alright. I've been okay.
you suffer. Thank
I've been
you.
okay. I can't complain much, eh? I've been alright. I've been okay. I hope you've been well I hope you've been well on your side. I mean, my people are gonna they come in at 8:30. No,
What
what?
are you doing here? Why do you always come to me?